These are demanding times. During a pandemic, the priority of every business and institution should be health and safety. An innovative solution is being offered by Alpha Communications. The Sanitizing Station is a revolutionary device which provides thermal temperature scanning and a sanitizing mist in an easy walk-through unit. The Sanitizing Station sprays a safe solution to kill or inactivate bacteria and viruses. This patent-pending and ADA-compliant design works in 3 easy steps. Number 1, align your face with a thermal imaging sensor for your temperature reading. Number 2, receive a portion of hand sanitizer. Number 3, walk through the safe sanitizing mist to sanitize shoes, clothing, and other items brought through the station. Now, you can feel safe and secure that you and everyone else that has entered the building, event, workplace, or school has completed the same exact process. The Sanitizing Station is portable and compact, built on heavy-duty wheels for easy moving and storage. The sanitizing solution is safe for people, organic, all-natural, chemical-free, and non-toxic. The goal is to create innovative solutions to keep businesses, offices, events, and schools open and create safe and healthy environments. As businesses begin to reopen, the Sanitizing Station is an integral component of relieving workplace anxiety. When a business installs a sanitizing station, it's telling its clients and employees, we welcome you back, and we take your health and safety very seriously. For more information, please email info@alphacommunications.com or call 1-800-666-4800.